PP3.42 G switch. You can see go to the VAT and the VDD, then go to the VDDA. Okay. So the voltage, when the IC this SMC receive the voltage, then to produce the VDDC. Okay, produce this one voltage from the SMC. Okay, from SMC. So for example, you treat this one, no voltage, but you treat the SMC receive this one voltage, no produce PP1.2, so SMC broken. Okay.
Thank you, Master Louis, for your courses. You're a great person, a good teacher, and a very generous man. So thank you for that. Those courses were accurate, very professional, very smart. Way to shoot. Thank you a lot. I learned so much, and I will not forget you. Thank you, Master. Bye.
This is enable. Okay, enable. Open this one voltage. S4. Let's see S4. S4. Okay. Sleep S5. Open the S4 voltage. Sleep S4. Open the S3 voltage. S3 voltage. Okay. Sleep S3. Open the S0 voltage. Okay. This voltage. This enable.
All of the people who are interested to join MacBook course to please join Master Lou course. Thank you so much, Master.
The normal motherboard, the current standby for charge, then CPU working. Okay, CPU finish, then RAM finish, GPU. Okay, GPU is last one, then display. Okay. Then display, and this one, so display, okay, GPU.
Hi everyone, my name is Dozin. I'm from Melbourne, Australia. I've been trying to learn the MacBook repair for a long time. I even searched in Australia to join the classes, and I could not find it. I tried to learn in China because of the COVID. I could not go there. And luckily, I saw the master class online, so I joined the class, and I gained a lot of knowledge and theory and troubleshooting. Before I was stuck to find the problems and took too long to repair. After learning with master, it's more easier to identify the problem and solve the problem in a short time. He has a lot of experience and teach us some cool tricks and solutions. He is expert in the MacBook repair. I learned a lot from him, and I hope you will learn a lot from him too. Thank you everyone. Good luck.
Yes, it's okay.
Okay, this trick. Okay, remember, sometimes the HDMI is okay, but LCD no display is a this trick problem. Okay, change this trick. Okay, you can see.
Hello, so here's my comments about the course. I learned many new things. It taught me a very systematic and smart approach towards solving the problem step by step, and not just by try and error. For me, it was not very easy to participate in the course because of the economic situation in our country. It was very expensive, but I managed to participate, and I'm very happy and definitely recommend it to anyone who wants to learn new things and new ways of repairing MacBooks. Thank you, Master.